Hello,
Yeah, sweet.
my name's Nicholas. You have a... Oh yeah, I can see it's working.
Yeah.
I was born and raised close to Paris, North Paris suburbs, but not the suburbs like with big building, like we had forest, river, cows, animals, fields. All school holiday, like July, August, we used with my two brothers and parents, we used to go to Brittany, sailing, Normandy and Mediterranean coast, fishing, swimming. Well, it's a good life. It's a Volkswagen LT35 from 1992 and with a good engine, 6-cylinder, 2.4 liter and very robust. So far the engine is like a clock and I'm very happy with it. I like the noise of the engine. It's a very good feeling to be able to know waves here. You take your van, you go south, you find wave or north, so you feel very free. Your home is on wheel and you can sleep wherever you want, stop whenever you want, and it's a very good feeling spending time in a van. Maybe each summer I have 3 or 5 nights minimum very hot, but I can sleep on the roof, so no problem. Because there is other spots in Cap Breton where friends stays in vans, but they have to walk 5 minutes to check the wave, then come back to pick up the boat and go back, and I guess I'm kind of lazy, but that's very convenient, yeah. Well, I have good friends around in vans as well. Ed in his van, just behind that van, he's staying all summer long. It's 4th summer now, I think. Or I'm always coming on my own, but I'm never alone. Yeah, I remember years and years ago, I met people living in van. I was living in flat, and I did not really understand how it was possible. But once you have experience, I think it will be hard to stop and to settle in a flat and normal life. Normal life is what you were taught at school, like an apartment, a job, and everything. Oh yeah, I can see myself lifelong like that. Yeah. Then we'll see, because getting older, I don't know, no, I can work here in summer, keep enjoying surfing and work in the mountain in winter. Feel like when I was in holiday with my parents in boats, it's kind of, as I told you before, it's like the same kind of life, but in a van instead of in a boat, and you feel free.